What is product strategy?
Product strategy is the set of choices that define who a product serves, what problem it solves, how it wins, and what trade-offs it will make over time.
Why is product strategy important?
It aligns teams around the same direction, helps prioritize work, and prevents a product from becoming a random collection of features.
What is a target customer?
A target customer is the specific type of user or buyer the product is built to serve first.
Why should a strategy name the customer segment clearly?
Because vague products create vague decisions. Clear customer focus improves prioritization, messaging, and product design.
What is a core problem in product strategy?
The core problem is the painful, valuable issue the customer wants solved enough to change behavior or spend time and money.
What is a value proposition?
A value proposition explains the specific benefit the product delivers and why it is better than the alternatives for a given customer.
What is product market fit?
Product market fit happens when a product satisfies a real market need strongly enough that users adopt it, return to it, and recommend it.
What is a strategic moat?
A moat is a defensible advantage that makes it hard for competitors to copy your position, such as network effects, data, brand, or switching costs.
What is a trade-off in product strategy?
A trade-off is a deliberate choice to prioritize one outcome at the expense of another, such as simplicity over breadth or speed over customization.
What is a North Star metric?
A North Star metric is the measure that best captures the value the product creates for customers and the business.
How is a North Star metric different from a vanity metric?
A vanity metric looks impressive but may not reflect durable value, while a North Star metric tracks meaningful customer progress.
What is customer discovery?
Customer discovery is the process of learning how customers behave, what they need, and how they solve the problem today.
Why should product teams study alternatives, not just competitors?
Customers compare your product to spreadsheets, internal tools, habits, or doing nothing, not only direct competitors.
What is a product hypothesis?
A product hypothesis is a testable belief about a customer problem, behavior, or solution that can be validated with evidence.
What is outcome-based prioritization?
Outcome-based prioritization ranks work by the customer or business result it should create rather than by effort alone.
What is a strategic theme on a roadmap?
A strategic theme is a category of work tied to an outcome, such as activation, retention, or enterprise readiness.
Why is segmentation useful in product strategy?
Segmentation helps teams see that not all users have the same needs, willingness to pay, or jobs to be done.
What is positioning?
Positioning is how you want the market to understand your product relative to the alternatives.
What is a jobs to be done perspective?
Jobs to be done focuses on the progress a customer is trying to make in a real context rather than on demographics alone.
What is a wedge strategy?
A wedge strategy enters the market by solving one narrow painful use case exceptionally well before expanding.
What is platform strategy?
Platform strategy creates value by enabling interactions among multiple participant groups, such as buyers and sellers or developers and users.
Why do retention metrics matter for strategy?
Retention reveals whether the product keeps delivering value after the initial sign-up or purchase.
What is cannibalization in product strategy?
Cannibalization happens when a new offering reduces demand for an existing offering from the same company.
When can cannibalization be acceptable?
Cannibalization can be smart when it protects the company from competitors or moves customers toward a better long-term business model.
What makes a strategic review effective?
A good strategic review compares actual evidence with the original assumptions and asks what should be doubled down on, changed, or stopped.
What is distribution strategy in product work?
It is the plan for how a product reaches customers through channels, partners, sales motions, or self-serve acquisition.
Why should product strategy consider pricing?
Pricing shapes positioning, target customers, willingness to adopt, and the economic viability of the product.
What is strategic sequencing?
Strategic sequencing decides which markets, features, or capabilities should come first so momentum compounds over time.
What is a platform shift risk?
A platform shift risk is the chance that major technology or behavior changes make a current product approach less relevant.
What is an expansion path?
An expansion path is the set of adjacent use cases or segments a product can move into after winning an initial niche.
What is the difference between strategy and roadmap?
Strategy explains the logic behind choices. The roadmap is the time-based expression of selected work.
Why should strategy include explicit non-goals?
Non-goals protect focus by naming what the team will deliberately avoid for now.
What is a strategy memo useful for?
A strategy memo forces clarity on target customer, problem, advantage, assumptions, and trade-offs in a compact format.
What is strategic coherence?
It means the product's positioning, UX, pricing, metrics, and go-to-market all reinforce the same core choices.
What is feature creep?
Feature creep is the gradual addition of loosely related functionality that weakens usability and strategic focus.
Why is customer pain severity important?
The more painful and frequent the problem, the more likely users are to adopt and stay with a solution.
What is willingness to pay a signal of?
It is a signal that the product solves a meaningful problem in a valuable way for the target customer.
What is a strategic assumption?
A strategic assumption is a belief about customer behavior, value, competition, or economics that must prove true for the plan to work.
How should product strategy use evidence?
It should combine customer interviews, usage data, market signals, and financial logic instead of relying on opinion alone.
What is differentiation by workflow?
It means winning by fitting better into how users already work, not just by adding more features.
What is a switching cost?
A switching cost is the time, risk, learning, or migration effort a customer must absorb to move away from a product.
What is strategic focus at an early-stage company?
A narrow, sharp bet on a painful problem for a specific customer segment with a clear path to retention.
Why is market timing part of strategy?
Even a strong idea can fail if customer readiness, distribution, or enabling technology is not yet in place.
What is a product strategy review question?
What evidence changed since the last review, and what choice should change because of it?
Why should strategy be revisited periodically?
Because customer needs, competition, economics, and technology evolve, making static strategy fragile.
What is strategic consistency?
It is the discipline of making many small product decisions that all support the same winning thesis.
What is the risk of chasing every enterprise request?
The product can lose focus, become complex, and stop serving its most valuable segment well.
What makes a product strategy actionable?
Clear choices, clear measures of success, named owners, and explicit assumptions that can be tested.